Hi everybody, in this video we'll talk about many interesting news connected with Bitcoin. Okay, first, many South Korean securities firms investors warning to crypto. Why? South Korean investors are finding it hard to resist the allure of crypto, while a number of leading domestic securities firms have suddenly started producing reports on the sector indicating that fund managers may be casting an eye on the markets. According to Newsbeam, an official at a leading commercial bank who asked to remain nameless started that crypto market investment was starting to rival stock market activity. Also, wealthier investors still prefer gold to crypto. Bankers hinted that crypto was closing the gap forever. An advisor of Hong Kong Bank and he all 100 investment arms said that the number of consultation from consumers who want to invest in crypto is increasing, driving advisors to providing their customers with a portfolio that meets their needs. The advisor added, crypto investors often return to crypto investment because they have experienced higher returns in a short period of time. An advisor at a rival investment division of the bank, Shinban, however, started the many younger investors who had many healthy crypto profits were instead choosing to diversify their portfolio with a range of asset chasing and stock market investments. The media outlet noted that Central Bank of Korea had raised the base interest rate twice from 0 last year to the 1% level, and then it had hinted at the possibility of another rate hike this year. Market analysts say that they expect the bank to raise interest rates up to 3 times this year, with the next raise possibility coming in the next few weeks. This, they said, could lead to an adjustment in share prices, possibility more movement in the crypto markets as a result. Per Digital Today, a large number of South Korean securities providers have begun reporting on the state of crypto markets after witnessing explosive growth. Last year, Hana Financial Investment, a wing of the KB Hana banking group, yesterday devoted a third of its monthly invested report to the crypto space for the first time. The media outlet noted that the new year has seen a new trend for securities providers, with most now including some sort of section devoted to crypto. Most of these reports are thus far relatively conservative in nature, and when they do give advice on crypto are being careful to advise small investments as part of a wider portfolio of conventional assets. However, some claimed that such crypto investments could greatly improve the performance of investors' portfolios. Um, the heads of large security firms appear to have expressed interest in the sector by mentioning virtual assets in their New Year's address. The media outlet noted, with attention also given to the blockchain metaverse and non-fungible token NFT spaces, the heads of Mirai Asset Security, NH Investment Securities, and the aforementioned Shinan Financial Investment were all quoted as making note of how crypto and the rest had created new markets and businesses. This media outlets noted that the trend appears to be global to some extent, claiming that major financial advisors in Europe and North America had given similar advice about including a small amount of crypto in investment portfolios. So, that's very interesting. Let's find out something. Uh, mm, okay, let's talk about very interesting thing. Real estate in metaverse. It is really such a crazy idea. Um, okay. The idea of spending thousands or even millions of dollars to buy facilities land in a virtual world sounds, to be frank, absurd. But in recent months, we have seen significant investment in virtual land within the metaverse. PVC is among the list to dive in, having purchased real estate in the sandbox, a virtual gaming world, for an undisclosed amount. If other reported sales are anything to go by, it would have been a handsome sum. One person recently bought a plot of land. The Snoopverse, a virtual world rapper Snoop Dogg, is developing within the sandbox for USD 400,000 450,000. Meanwhile, the Metaverse Group, a real estate company focused on the metaverse economy, reportedly bought a price in land Decentraland, another virtual platform, for USD 0.43 M. Let's refresh on what the metaverse. You probably heard the term a lot when Facebook rebranded to Meta in October 2021. Other companies such as Nike and Microsoft have also announced that they will launch into this space. The metaverse describes a vision of a connected 3D virtual world where real and digital worlds are integrated using technologies such as virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR). This immersive environment will be accessible through the likes of VR headsets, AR glasses, and smartphone apps. Users will meet and communicate as digital avatars, explore new areas, and create content. The idea of the metaverse will develop to become a collaborative virtual space where we can socialize, play, work, and learn. So it was all news I want to tell you about for today. Look for next video. Bye bye.